Jason Line is with us today to talk Go Fast parts and the performance industry. Now, he really needs no introduction, but for those of you living under a rock, he is the 3-time NHRA Pro-Stock Champion, and he's sponsored by our favorite part source, Summit Racing.
We're going to discuss a few different things today, from pistons and cylinder heads to high-end lubes, and how the industry standards have been reset thanks to racing innovation and development over the last few years.
So the first thing I want to talk about is pistons and how pistons have evolved over the last 20 years or so.
Piston technology has changed drastically, and probably more so from the manufacturing side, because we have much better machining equipment, which allows the piston manufacturer to make the ringland, the finish much better, and the parallelism to the ringland to the pin boss, which ultimately results in more power for not only the race engines, but again, is transferred to the street cars.
What about the design of the piston from the old coffee can style to the new style strutting?
Yeah, over the years we just didn't know. So through trial and error, and obviously now better methods using science, we have much better programs to tell us where the piston needs to be strong and where it doesn't need to be strong. So the weight's moved to the places it needs to be and away from the places it doesn't.
Now, what about the total shape of the piston itself?
The shape is definitely, there's certainly some magic there as far as making power goes, and obviously through a lot of trial and error testing, you're working on one specific engine, like a Pro-Stock engine. We've figured out, where it needs more material and where it needs less. And
along with that, the ring physical size has changed.
Yes, it's changed a lot over the years. Back in the day, 1970 Buick had a 5/64 ring in it, which is a real big, heavy ring. With the, applied a lot of friction to the cylinder wall, and now that technology has changed a lot, and everything has nice, lightweight, low-tension ring packages that still seal much better.
Moving on to the cylinder head, we heard through the grapevine KB Racing and Trick Flow are going to be working together.
We are, actually. We've got some cool projects coming up, some LS stuff and some small block Chevy stuff. So we're trying to apply a little, little racing technology into some other types of cylinder heads.
Well, I know their stuff is pretty good out of the box, so it's going to be really neat to see what you guys come up with.
It is. It's going to be kind of fun.
And last, but certainly not least, oil technology.
Yeah, there's a lot of good oils on the market today with a lot of different oil additive packages. So the best thing to do is test them in your engine and see what flavor it likes, and they're all available at Summit.
And they have a variety of weights and viscosities, like the 0 weight, both for racing and some OEM applications, all the way up to 50 weight and everything in between.
Exactly.
Jason, thanks a lot for coming in today and sharing your expertise. We really appreciate it.
You bet. Thanks for having me here.
And I hope to see you out at a race very soon.
Absolutely. Thanks.